Hi, vacuum family. So every year, I usually change around my house, my kids' room, and everything. So I decided to clean my daughter's room today, and I only did the floors. I didn't do the carpet yet, but this is how much we got out of on the floors. I didn't do under her bed yet, but this is how much I got off the floors. So I'm gonna vacuum her rug this way and at the bottom. See how much dirt comes out of it. When I move her furniture, I'm going to vacuum, and then I'm going to show you guys all the dirt that I got up from in her room. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna carpet clean her carpet too. That would be in the future video. Okay, so that was just a quick vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum it again after I flip over the rug. But that's how much we got off. But I'm gonna do a bin dump so that you could see actually what's really in there and how much we picked up. So let's do the back of this rug. Okay, so I turned over her rug, and I am so embarrassed to show you guys what I found in her rug. She's a spiller. She likes to spill a lot of stuff, but look at that. Carpet clean or rug clean, the rest of it. Look at all those stains. Before there was only one stain, and it was that pink stain right there. And now there's a bunch of stains in her carpet. Sorry if it's gross to you. Some is satisfying to see this rug get clean. So here we go. vacuuming and looking at these things. Okay. So I emptied out what I picked up on the floors right here. So let's see what's new in the vacuum. Okay, so that's all that we picked up just now. And I'm going to dump it out. Very interesting to see. Some of it is stick to the bin, so it's not really a fair test or a fair result, but you can see that it did pick up a lot of the fine dirt and some fine dirt. When I vacuumed, this is what I got out. When I vacuumed the back end, all this fine grit. Hope she sees this video and sees the importance of vacuuming or cleaning her floors. So here we go. Okay, so I don't really like to mop. I like more carpet vacuuming stuff, but I find this so therapeutic when I decide to mop. Her floors are so dirty. Let me start from here. Well, let me turn on the light. Okay. This is just a quick mopping because I still have to move furniture and vacuum and then mop. I added some dish soap, pine sol, this nice smelling pine sol, and I also tipped a little Dettol in the water because it kills germs that causes infection. And when I'm cleaning, I always like to clean like places that need to be very sanitized. I usually like to tip a little Dettol in the water just for me to feel that it's being cleaned good enough for me. So you can see the difference of her floors already, even though she has some marks that cannot come out. It looks really good. like this mop. It gives me a little joy in mopping. And you just use your feet to spin out the mop. She's gonna be so happy when she comes home from the weekend and realize I cleaned up her room and it smells great. This look like a piece of her carpet got stuck to whatever sticky she had there. So I'm gonna have to pick that up. Gone. Gone. Don't worry, I'm gonna get that up. Okay, here we go again. So after I do this, I'm gonna make it dry a little bit. I don't know if you could see the water, the color of the water because of the soap, but it's starting to get dirty. Step on that. Try out the mop. The room smells so good. So I'm going to let it go over it one more time. Let me know if you want to see more ASMR of mopping, because I could do some crazy ASMRs with the mop. So let me know if you would like to see the mop do some ASMRs. I'll give you another view of it, and then I'll show you what the water looks like after I'm finished cleaning the entire room when I move the furniture. Stay tuned. Okay, so I know not all the stain is going to come out, and I really don't care about the back of the rug. So I'm just going to go run over it a little bit and see if it makes a difference, and then start with the other side of the rug. Here we go. like I'm gonna have to put stain remover on and let it sit and then go over it and brush it and scrub it. I don't have time for that. So it would be another time. It kind of lightened up little parts of the pink, but I'm gonna leave it for now and start with the front of the rug. So as I was flipping over the rug, there was more dirt coming out of the rug.